Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about our place among the stars? In 1964, Nikolai Kardashev proposed a scale to measure civilizations by their energy use, not wealth or power, but mastery over energy. A Type 1 civilization harnesses all the energy of its planet, controls weather, and taps into geothermal heat, a unified, sustainable society. Humanity is still a Type 0, reliant on fossil fuels at about 0.73 on this scale. The leap to Type 1 is our most critical challenge, moving from fractured tribes to a planetary intelligence. This journey is about more than technology, it's about growing up as a species. So, what are the steps to become a mature cosmic civilization? Let's explore the 7 great transformations on our path to Type 1. Let's begin the journey. The story of civilization is the story of energy. We began with muscle, then animals, then fossil fuels, ancient sunlight powering our world, but at a dangerous cost. Fossil fuels are finite and destabilize our climate. To become Type 1, we must transition to clean, renewable energy. The first step: harvest energy in real time from our world. Solar, wind, geothermal, tidal. Imagine deserts covered in solar arrays, wind turbines on coastlines, and geothermal plants tapping Earth's heat. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a necessity for survival. The transition demands a global engineering effort, rethinking infrastructure and economies. But renewables alone aren't enough. The sun doesn't always shine, the wind doesn't always blow. The ultimate key is nuclear fusion, fusing hydrogen atoms, as the sun does, to create virtually limitless clean energy. Fusion fuel can be extracted from seawater. A glass of water could power a city. Achieving controlled fusion is our greatest scientific challenge, but once mastered, energy scarcity disappears. Fusion would power a global supergrid, manage the climate, and fuel our expansion into space. Mastering fusion is the leap that makes all other steps possible. It's the moment we become planetary masters, not dependents. This is the foundation of a Type 1 civilization. The future of energy is not just about abundance, but about responsibility. Our survival depends on this transformation. The age of burning our past must end. The age of harnessing the cosmos begins. This is our first step toward cosmic adulthood. Limitless energy is useless if we can't distribute it efficiently. A Type 1 civilization needs a unified planetary supergrid, a global nervous system for energy. Imagine a worldwide network connecting every power source to every home and city, erasing energy inequality. The breakthrough: room temperature superconductors, wires with zero resistance, enabling lossless energy transfer across continents. This would make a global grid inevitable, moving energy as easily as we send data today. At its core, an AI would manage production and consumption in real time, balancing supply and demand instantly. The grid would: media group, power grid control room rerouting electricity, workers repairing power lines during a storm, animated map rerouting power around disaster zones, stock distribute equally, reroute power during disasters, store surplus in massive batteries, and ensure resilience against attacks or failures. This isn't just infrastructure, it's a shift in mindset, seeing Earth as a single, integrated machine. Building the supergrid requires unprecedented global collaboration. It physically wires us together, making our shared fate undeniable. The planetary grid is the circulatory system of a Type 1 world. It's the backbone of our future civilization. With it, energy becomes a universal right, not a privilege. The supergrid is how we power our unity. It's the next step on our journey. For most of history, we were at the mercy of the climate. Now we're its architects, often to our own detriment. A Type 1 civilization must heal the damage and actively manage Earth's climate. Step 1. Deploy large-scale carbon capture, synthetic trees pulling CO2 from the air, turning it into valuable resources. Restore forests, oceans and waterways, nature and technology working together. The goal: proactive, intelligent climate management, not just crisis response. Orbital sunshades at Lagrange points could modulate sunlight, cooling the planet with precision. We could influence weather, dissipate hurricanes, induce rain and droughts, using targeted energy and AI oversight. This power demands wisdom and global cooperation. Misuse could be catastrophic. Only a unified, informed civilization can wield such responsibility. Mastering climate is the ultimate test of planetary stewardship. It's not about control, but harmony. We must become gardeners, not conquerors of our world. The future depends on our ability to balance technology and nature. Climate mastery is the heart of planetary maturity. It's how we ensure a stable home for generations to come. This is the third great step. Technology alone won't get us to Type 1. The real challenge is overcoming division. For millennia, competition drove us. Now, it threatens our survival. The next step, radical global collaboration, a civilization that is truly human, not divided by nation. Nation-states and borders are incompatible with planetary systems. We need a global open-source information network, verified, transparent, accessible to all. This AI-managed system would eliminate misinformation, enabling evidence-based decisions, and true consensus. It's the foundation of planetary democracy and coordination for grand projects. Our identities must evolve. Citizens of Earth first, cultures second. Diversity is celebrated, but unity is essential. Overcoming tribal instincts is the great filter of our time. Collaboration replaces competition. The future is a team sport. Only together can we wield the power of a Type 1 world. This is the leap from adolescence to maturity. The history of technology is the history of offloading labor. The fifth step, automate nearly all repetitive, dangerous, and mundane work with advanced AI and robotics. No one should toil in mines or factories. Androids and drones will handle it all, coordinated by AI. This isn't mass unemployment, it's mass liberation. With needs met unconditionally, poverty becomes history. Freed from survival labor, humanity can pursue creativity, learning, and exploration. Education becomes a lifelong passion guided by personalized AI tutors. The purpose of life shifts from making a living to making a difference. The transition will be challenging, but the reward is a renaissance of human potential. Automation is the key to unlocking our consciousness for higher pursuits. It's the moment we break free from biological necessity. This is the society of a Type 1 civilization. A Type 1 civilization must look beyond Earth for long-term survival. Our planet's resources are finite. The next step is expanding into the solar system. The asteroid belt holds metals and water, enough to sustain civilization for millions of years. Fleets of autonomous robots will mine asteroids, processing materials on site. Space elevators, ribbons stretching to orbit, will make access routine and affordable. With off-world resources, we'll build vast habitats, O'Neill cylinders, simulating gravity and ecosystems. These habitats enable zero-gravity manufacturing, exploration, and serve as insurance for humanity. Spreading into space isn't escape, it's gaining perspective and resources to solve Earth's problems. From orbit, Earth's fragility is clear. Protecting it becomes paramount. Becoming multiplanetary transforms the solar system into our backyard. It's a step toward boundless potential. Space is not the final frontier. It's our next home. This is the sixth transformation. The final step, securing our world against existential threats, both cosmic and terrestrial. A planetary defense system managed by AI acts as Earth's immune system. Space-based telescopes scan for asteroids. AI detects threats decades in advance. Lasers and gravity tractors can deflect or destroy incoming objects. Geological threats, earthquakes, volcanoes, are mitigated by controlling energy in fault lines and stabilizing magma chambers. An artificial magnetosphere shields us from solar flares and cosmic rays. These systems are too complex for direct human control. AI ensures rapid, precise response. The planetary defense AI's sole purpose: preserve life and biosphere. This is the ultimate act of responsibility. We become guardians, not just inhabitants of Earth. With our world secure, we can look outward, ready for the universe's challenges. This is the final rite of passage. Becoming a Type 1 civilization is humanity's greatest challenge, a test of wisdom, not just technology. Each step is a rite of passage, demanding intelligence, cooperation, and maturity. The goal isn't a score on a cosmic scale, but the survival and flourishing of consciousness. A resilient, just, and sustainable world is our legacy to future generations. By mastering our planet, we prepare to meet the universe as equals. A unified Earth can finally join the cosmic conversation. The end of our cosmic childhood is just the beginning. This is the dawn of true planetary consciousness, and the start of our real journey among the stars.